Hi guys, and welcome back to the second channel. As you can tell by this weird footage, I'm filming on a new camera today because I finally got myself the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've not quite figured out how to use it yet. I'm still learning and I'm getting there with it, but I still love my Sony camera and I'm always going to be using that for filming because it's just the best ever. So I thought I'd give you a quick rundown on everything that's been going on today. So I'm doing a little bit of filming. I've actually been out cleaning cars today, which is something I said I wasn't really going to be doing anymore as a business, but I had one client which I had to go and say goodbye to. Now I've finished working with him, I can finally reveal who it was. So for the last 11 years, I've been working for Zach Brown, CEO of McLaren. Yeah, we go way back. He called me when my daughter was 2 years old. She's 13 now. So I was probably one of his longest ever workers that's been at his house, which is quite a good thing. So basically what I did was I gave away my entire business. I gave away my clients that I had. So what happened was this YouTube gig was never going to be a permanent thing. It was like a hobby. I just thought I'd give it a go, see what happens. And I was doing loads of cars at the time and I was like, okay, I could document this. But then I realized filming YouTube and doing cars, it wasn't working. And I was really enjoying the being creative side of things. And I was realizing the more I was doing it, the years were going by and I was getting older and older. And now I'm resorting to hair dye. That's how bad it's got. Yeah, it's been quite an experience. It was a sad day today because that really was the end. Like there's no way that I can go back to it. But interestingly enough, I've just said I've stopped car cleaning. I'm going out car cleaning tomorrow. I'm doing something which I've just said I've just stopped. So I'm going to be doing a bit of a collaboration with Matt Does Fitness, aka Legend of Gladiators. I bumped into him at the airport a couple of years ago. And I didn't mention the whole gladiator thing, because I'd rather know him for somebody who I've been subscribed to for many years. And I was like, all right, Matt, I'm a detailer / YouTuber. And I spoke to him literally briefly for a couple of minutes. And then he put a post online saying, oh, I need to get my cars detailed. So I just said, look, can you come and do some cameos, be in this video, we'll go do your cars. And it can benefit both of us. So I'm not getting paid for it. I'm just going to clean his cars. I'm just going to do a bit of networking. Whether anything comes of it, I don't even know. I'm not really that fussed, but I'm happy to take my chances because YouTube's going pretty well now. So I think I'm in a good place where I can take these risks. So that's going to be happening. I'm going there tomorrow with my new camera. That's actually why I've bought it, because if I haven't got Matt with me, because he's not feeling too good at the minute, he's got a few health things which he's got to get sorted. So if he can't come, then at least I've got a cameraman which I can put on a tripod, I can walk and talk, I can film about, and I don't have to worry about getting the focus and zooming in on everything. I can just sort of film on the fly. So I've got my GoPros as well ready to go in my camera bag. It is a bit of a mess in here at the minute. I'm having a bit of a clear out, which is something I tend to do every single day, it seems. I've got so many microfiber cloths. It's just too many to get through. And pressure washers. I've got another Ava that's come through today, which I've got another video I'm filming tomorrow. So actually, I tell you what, I'm going to take you over here a sec. So this is the GP6 Gorilla Power. Now this is part of Equipped to Clean. So I've got the DTLR Pro, that commercial pressure washer. It's all part of the same company. This is a semi-pro machine. So it's actually covered on a commercial warranty for 12 months, maybe 24 months. I will have to double check that. But I'm filming the GP6 along with the Karcher K5 Nilfisk Core 150 and the Ava Easy P57. So right now I'm just getting everything set up because I've just got one more bit of filming to do with the MTM SGS 28. This video is going to be coming out hopefully in a few days' time. I've just got a bit more polishing off to do with it. And I'll tell you what, this is something that I'm struggling with right now. It's not everybody's cup of tea. Like talking about a pressure washer, Lance, like I try to make my videos at least 8 minutes long because if it's too short, people refuse to click it because they go, it's too short, we don't want to waste any time. We think that we're not going to get enough value from it. But then when I go too long, people will then go, oh, it's just too long. So I try to get everything in about 8 minutes. But to cover everything in an 8-minute video on a pressure washer, Lance, is very difficult. I could probably cover it in about 30 seconds because, well, there's not really a lot to it. It is a very special wand, but not everybody's going to understand the significance of everything that's going on behind the scenes here with it. So I just feel I'm struggling with this video because When I do my car cleaning chemicals, so like I did the Tesco products, I had like 4 or 5 different items that I was using, and I was thinking, okay, I could chuck a few more in. So they had some Demon Shine stuff as well that I threw onto the car. But it's nice to get as many different items in a video to add that variety. So at least I can talk about the wand, the stubby gun and the nozzles. But apart from that, there's not really a lot to keep people excited. So I know that video is probably going to tank. It might die on its arse. Not because I don't care about it. I've put a lot of effort into the video, believe me, more than a lot of other videos. But I just don't feel that the audience is there for them to go, right, we love this video, I can't wait, I can't get enough of it, I'm gonna go watch another one. I just don't really want to put people off, so I'm trying to have that balance. I have to have my how-to videos, I like to have the reviews, I like to have the first look features, like if something new comes out like this, I like to incorporate it into the channel. And then we've got the disaster details and then a bit of everything else. So with this channel, which is at the minute it's called Epic Detailing Clips. It might be Epic Detailing Mark II or something like that. I know that you've got Matt Armstrong who does it, Mark McCann does it, Auto Alex does it as well. And I feel it's good because I can just turn the camera on, I'm not gonna worry about editing, I'm just gonna throw it out there, chuck it on and just keep people updated because there's a lot of demand for content, and it just seems that I could be growing the channel a bit more. So we're doing YouTube shorts as well, which is really good. That's going quite well at the minute because I can salvage some of my other content. I don't want to keep putting the same thing out, but if I've got 10 items in a video, at least I've got 10 mini videos when I stitch it together. So there's options for growth here, and I don't want to clutter up my main channel because I'm really proud of that the way it is. So this is just a bonus thing for me or for you or for anybody who likes watching these videos. I've been rabbiting a bit long now, so I'm going to have a bit of a tidy up and then get ready to film the last bit of this video. I don't magically come up with everything in my head, by the way. I actually have a whiteboard which is hiding in the toilet, you see. So I use the whiteboard for notes because when I'm filming, I'm constantly forgetting things. If you see an intro that looks so well polished and you really think that I've just done that in one take and it's all magical and oh, we got the lighting perfect, we just turned the lights on and it was all good, oh boy, you'll be wrong. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna film some behind the scenes videos when I'm doing my main videos. So I think it's gonna be quite interesting on the channel. Just bear with me, lots of things are happening. And it's just a very, very busy week. So I'm gonna leave it there. I've got to get ready to get this video done, and then I've got to go see Matt tomorrow, and let's just go. Right, I'll see you later. Bye.